अरे अरे वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। सतियां ए ना आखियन, जो मड़िया लग जलन। नानक सतियां जानियन, जे बिरहे चोट मरन। सतियां ए ना आखियन, जो मड़िया लग जलन। There is a, or there was a ritual hundreds of years back, which still exists, but very rarely, where in Indian culture, the ladies used to jump in the fire or in the pyre of the husband's, after the husband's death, on the funeral pyre. They used to jump on it and they used to get burnt alive. They used to die there, right? Guru Amar Das Sache Paatshah, and before that even Kabir Sahib, they spoke against it. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, every Bhagat who came, they spoke against it. Because the name itself was, that ritual was called Sati, to become a Sati. So if you will look at the word Sati, Sati word came from Sat. Sat means such. They're saying, oh, they were very dedicated to their husband. So that's why they loved their husband. That's why they can't live without their husband. So now they are doing Sati. Mostly the young girls to go Sati, not the old ones. It was not like every lady will die on the funeral pyre, only the young ones. And mostly this was very common in the during the time when the for the kings and all, for the wives of the kings, because kings used to have multiple wives. Even we call Raja Ranjit Singh, even his wives also went Sati. Or he had also multiple wives. Raja Ranjit Singh's wives also went Sati. But it's not a blame of to be given to Raja Ranjit Singh, because he was no longer there. Obviously, it was his funeral pyre, right? But many it went happened. Like after even Guru Sahib gave this Sikhya in Hindu culture, it was very common. But even I'm giving you an example of a Sikh culture also. Some were going Sati. But Guru Amardas Sache Pacha said, Satya e na akhin, jo madya lag jalan. You cannot call them Sati who are burning themselves alive in the funeral pyre of their husband. Nanak Satya janiyan, je birhe chot maran. The real Sati is the one, the minds who are dying in the birha, in the birag, in the separation of Vaheguru, in the love of Vaheguru. Yesterday also we discussed about birag and the birha. When you cry in the love of Vaheguru, in the separation of Vaheguru, and when your mind is burning because we have not met Vaheguru, when our mind is not meeting Vaheguru and it's burning, jalan ho rahi ho ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ, that is the true Sati. Same thing, Bhagat Kabir Ji. Baba Kabir Ji is saying here, Gaudi Kabir Ji, बिन सत सती, बिन सत सती होए कैसे नार, पंडित देखो हृदय विचार. Because, and there have been chances where the ladies were not, they didn't wanted to do sati. They were pushed from the back in the funeral pyre of their husband. Literally pushed there. They were, I mean, there are many shabads, right? They used to have, a vessel on their hand. They used to do a parkarma. They used to go around the funeral pyre, and they were dressed like a sohagan, like a bride, and they used to get pushed there. Kabir Sahib is saying, why you are doing these rituals? You are actually murdering these ladies. Nobody can be a sati if they don't have a sat inside them. If there is no love for Vaheguru, Sat as in such, Aad such, Jugaad such, Heavy such, Nanak, OCP such. If the Sat is not there in our mind, if the Naam is not there in our mind, if Shabad is not there in our mind, how can anybody be Sati? Can be truthful? If the truth is not there, how can we be truthful? Just by jumping in the funeral pyre, nobody can be Sati. There is no concept of giving pain to yourself. The whole Gurbani, Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Bani, the path is only one, the path is of Shabad. But Maharaj has strongly objected. The objection is why to give pain to your physical body. Because Gurbani says, Dukh par har sukh kar le jaye. You give me your dukh, physical or mental. All your dukh, you give it me. You live in sukh. And sukh can only happen if we have Naam or Shabad within us. So that's what Kabirji is saying. Bin Sat, without the Naam, without the Vaheguru, without the Satguru, Sati hoye kaise nar? How can one be Sati? How can one jump on the funeral pyre? If there is no Barag, no love for Vaheguru. Just like I mentioned, these young girls, young widows, they were pushed in the funeral pyre. They didn't want it to. It's so scary. Just think about if somebody pushes us in a burning, in a funeral pyre, or in any situation where the fire is there. I remember there are a lot of fires in California, and sometimes the houses are burnt and the fire spreads very fast. And how these firefighters go inside and bring the kids and even the pets out, right? And here, the Pandits, they were pushing so-called religious leaders, they were pushing and forcing the females to the widows, the young widows, to jump on the funeral pyre. Bin sat sati hoye kaise nar? How can a nar, as in the widow or as a girl, how can she become a sati if she doesn't have a love for Vaheguru? प्यार ही नहीं होगा तो प्यार तो बगैर किस तरह सती हो सकती? The real sati is that mind who has a love for Vaheguru, who has birha for Vaheguru, who has birag for Vaheguru. Pandit, dekho, hriday vichar. Look into your mind, vichar kar. Why you have created these rituals? By the way, these rituals came from Manu Simriti. These rituals are not there in other granths. Manu Simriti is a granth which is just like a kind of a rehat of Sanatan Dharam or a Hindu Dharam. Just like any other, it's all about physical things. They are 100% against the woman. They have, it's all, everything is against women. Or I should say, whenever the husband dies, they have different rituals. If the girl is young, they have to go sati. If the woman is old, they have to go to these ashrams in Haridwar and Rishikesh and all their places where the lady can only wear one cloth, that too white cloth, in the whole body. And they will be bald headed. They will shave their head. It's very, very, pity situation. It does not matter whether the lady is a rich or poor. Till today, there are ashrams there where they send the old ladies there. Now, because of the culture and because of the revolution and reforms in the Hindu religion also, most of the educated women, they don't go there. But some, the old stuff and all, it still exists. Very less now, but it still exists. But all these rituals are made against women, I will say. But Kabir Sahib, starting from Kabir Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Amar Das Sache Pasha, they spoke against all these things. So kyo manda akhiye जित जम्मै राजान। बिन सत सती होए, बिन सत सती होए कैसे नार, nobody can be sati if they don't have a sat inside them, such inside them, sat naam inside them, nobody can be sati। पंडित देखो, कहते देख हृदय विचार, don't go behind these old manusmriti rituals because it's very bad। I mean, there are things out there where these pundits, it's written in their granth that even for with the widows, these pundits can do, can make a relationship with them, but only them, but they cannot be remarried. Guru Amar Das Sache Pasha was the first one who came, who said that widows can be remarried also. We are talking about 1500s, right? When we have to walk on the Adhyatmak Rasta, on the spiritual path, the path is of truth. Even whenever, if we are not walking on the path of truth, Simran will also not help. That's why Gyan is very important. Lifestyle is very important. What kind of a karam we are doing, what kind of a character we have is very important. The whole idea is the bhakti can only happen if we are doing prema bhakti, devotional worship with love. This is a game of love. Vaheguru Ji is in everybody. We read it. Sab mein jot jot hai soe tisde chanan, sab mein chanan hoye. That jot of Vaheguru is in everybody. And if there are some problems in the society, we should be able to speak against it. That's what Guru Nanak Dev Ji did. That's what Kabir Sahib did. That's what Guru Amar Das Sache Pasha did. That's what all the Guru Sahibans, all the Bhagat Sahibans spoke against the evils of our society. And without the preet, without the love, we cannot have love for of Vaheguru. We have to have a preet, we have to have a love inside our mind for Vaheguru. If we don't have a love, then we cannot meet, then we cannot receive Naam. That's why we always say, first the love has to be with the Gurbani, then with the Guru Mantar. Then only we can do Prema Bhakti. प्रीत बिना कैसे बद्धे स्नेह हो? Without the preet, how can we have a sneh for our husband Lord? If the love is not there in our mind, how can we love our husband? If we are kathor, if we are stone hearted, we cannot meet Vaheguru. The love for Vaheguru can only come if we will love everybody. Remember, there are two Swaroops of Vaheguru. One is a Sargun Swaroop, other is a Nirgun Swaroop. Sargun Swaroop is all of us. We cannot hate anybody. We have to love. When we love, then only we will have a love for Vaheguru also. प्रीत बिना कैसे बद्धे स्नेहो, जब लग रस तब लग नहीं नेहो रहाओ। If we have a preet for this world, physical things, physical attachment, Maya, Trigun Maya, then we cannot have love for Vaheguru. Either we can love this world or we can love Vaheguru. There is a difference between love and attachment. If we have attachment for this world, then we cannot have love for Vaheguru. What is attachment? Attachment is when we have something in our mind. Why we are attached to our kids? I remember still, I used to talk with the laborers from UP, and they used to come and in Punjab, UP laborers, Pravasi ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਭਈਏ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, and all the Pravasi are same. We are Pravasi here in this country, foreigners in this country. Mostly people come in these countries to earn money. Same about UPites also. So when I used to call them, talk with them, every year when they used to go back to home, they will have another kid. Multiple kids, five, 6, 7, 8 kids. And I used to ask them, why you have so many kids? He said, more kids, more money they will earn for us. They used to say that more kids we will have, more money they will earn with for us. That means they don't love their kids, it's an attachment. They have kids because the agenda is that they will earn more money. That's what it is. In the whole world, any kind of an attachment we have is because of the agenda. But Maharaj says, don't be attached to the things. Love because it's your duty. We love our kids because it's a seva which is given to us. It's a duty which we have. But if we expect things from our kids, then that's not a love, that's an attachment. कि ऐ मेरा बच्चा मेरे वास्ते ऐ करेगा. प्रीत बिना कैसे बद्दे स्नेहो. Marriage says प्रीत has to happen, love has to happen, but not the attachment. जब लग रस तब लग नहीं नेहो. कहते if you are stuck in the love of Maya, then you cannot love Vaheguru. There can be no love. It is just an attachment. We do the same thing with God also, Vaheguru also. We go to the Gurdwara and we'll say, oh Vaheguru Ji, I will do this chupera or whatever. I will read these banis, all the ritualistic stuff. If I will get this thing, a kid or money or a job or something, that means we don't have a love for Vaheguru. We are doing Soddebaji business also, trading also with God. प्रीत बिना कैसे बद्दे स्नेहो, जब लग रस तब लग नहीं नेहो रहाओ. Neho as in Vaheguru. Vaheguru's love, spiritual love will not be there. नेह नहीं होएगा. अंदर सच्चा नेहो लाया प्रीतम अपने. That love for Vaheguru will only come if he will give us that love. वो भी अरदास ही है. प्यार doesn't come on its own. That's why Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, when you chant also, chanting is not going to give you meet Vaheguru. By just chanting, if we keep on chanting, we are not going to meet Vaheguru. Maharaj said, Gaviye suniye man rakhiye pao. You have to chant, you have to listen with love. प्यार दे नाल मालक ने मिलना है, जपन दे नाल मालक ने नहीं मिलना. लव नेहो. जब लग रस तब लग नहीं नेहो. मालक दे नाल प्यार नहीं पाएगा. If we have love for this Maya, we cannot love Vaheguru. शाहन सत करे जी अपने, सो रमैये को मिले ना सुपने. Shahan. Remember in Indian culture also and in Gurbani also, there are two things Maharaj talks about. And if we understand that, most of our problems will be solved. Shiv and Shakti. Shivji or Parvati, Shiv or Shakti, one and the same thing. Radha and Sham, one and the same thing. What is it exactly? Shiv is not some Shivji or deity or something. Shakti or Parvati is not some deity or wife or Shivji or no. No. Shiv is the Jyot of Vaheguru, the light of Vaheguru, the Prakash Roop Vaheguru is Shiv. You can call him Vaheguru, you can call him Guru Nanak, right? Shakti is nothing but a Maya, Trigun Maya. Maya is the Shakti. Shahan Sat करे जी अपने, सो रमैये को मिले ना सुपने. Maharaj says, live तात दोए राह है, हुक्मी कार कमाए. There are two paths. One path is of live, love for Vaheguru. The other is the path, tat, is the path of Maya, materialism. if we have love for Maya, love for Shakti, then Maharaj says you cannot meet Vaheguru even in the dreams. Shahan Sat Kare Ji Apne. Sada Ji means our mind. If our mind is connected and think that Maya is real, this body is real, everything which we have around us is real. So Ramaye ko mile na supne. Ramaye as in Vaheguru, we cannot meet Vaheguru even in our dreams. वैसे तो सुपने च ही मिलना है ना सानू सुपने भी किहो जे आणगे what kind of a dreams we will have dreams will be also of the attachment of this physical world of this Maya if we are whole day if we are connected with Maya we are watching these social media this all these things YouTube and whatnot right then in the dreams also we will only see the dreams of YouTube and these news and everything these dramas and TV and clubs and pubs and discotheques and whatnot. Because we were connected whole day with this Maya. Shahan Sat Kare Ji Apne, because we think this is real. This physical life is real. So Ramaye ko mile na supne. Supne which we ne milna. Tan, man, tan, greh somp shreer. Kende surrender yourself. Surrender your body. Surrender your mind. Surrender swasana your breath, everything. Surrender. Greh somp shreer soi suhagan kahe Kabir. Then you are suhagan. Then you are a soul bride of the Vaheguru. Then you will recognize that Jyot inside you, that Satguru inside you. When we will surrender everything, we will surrender our body, we will surrender our mind, we will surrender our tan, the wealth of this breath, not the physical breath. Maharaj, not the physical money. Maharaj, don't want your physical wealth. The wealth is the wealth of these breath, pavan. With every swas, with every breath, we have to remember Vaheguru. That's how we surrender. Through our mind, through our body. Greh, somp, sharir. Soi suhagan kahe Kabir. When we surrender everything. Because who has given us everything? Vaheguru has given us everything. We are not giving him anything. Vaheguru ji, whatever he has given to us, we are just surrendering the same thing. मेरा मुझ में किछ नहीं जो किछ है सो तेरा तेरा तुझको सौंप के क्या लागे है मेरा तन मन धन ग्रह सौंप शरीर सोई सुहागन कहे Kabir. Then we are the suhagan, we are the brides of Vaheguru. Kabir Sahib is saying that's what we have to do if we want to meet Vaheguru. It's not just the chanting. The whole idea of the chanting is we kill our thoughts, we go in peace, we surrender everything. But if we are doing chanting for our personal gains, physical gains, or whatnot, then that's not helping, right? Gaudi Kabir ji, Bikhya Vyapya Sagal Sansar. But everybody is so much engrossed in the corruption of these five doots of lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego. This is a bikhya. This is a poison. We are living in big saga. We are living in tamogun. Bikhya Vyapya Sagal Sansar. We like lust so much. We like greed so much. We like anger so much. We like attachment so much. We like ego so much. All the world, whole world is stuck in this Maya, in this big sagar, in the ocean of this poison. Bikhya le dubi parvar. And because of this bikhya, because of this poison, whole parvar, whole families are drowning. They're drowning. Because whatever our lifestyle will be, our family, our kids, our parents will learn the same thing. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਨਾ ਘਰ ਦਾ, whatever way lifestyle we will have in our house from the childhood, whatever the kids will see, they will become like that. Never ever blame your kids if they are going away from Sikhi or away from Gurmat. ਦੱਦਾ ਦੋਸ਼ ਨਾ ਦੀਜੈ ਕਿਸੇ, ਦੋਸ਼ ਕਰਮਾ ਆਪਣਿਆ, ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਆ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਇਆ, ਦੋਸ਼ ਨਾ ਦੀਜੈ ਅਵਰ ਜਨਾ. And they don't blame others. It is your own karams. You played in Bhikhya, you were drowning in Bhikhya, and that's what our kids are going to learn that from us. Our friends and family. ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਹੈ. In Punjabi, there is a proverb or there is a saying, जैसी संगत तैसी रंगत. Whatever the company we will keep, that kind of a color which we will have, that kind of an attitude we will have. That's why Maharaj says, Sat Sangat Mile So Tarya Gur Prasad Param Pad Paya Suke Kasat Harya. And they come in Sachi Sangat, and that's how your life, your family is going to be there. Otherwise, Bhikhya let dubi parvar. Otherwise, you will drown and your family will drown in the same Bhikhya. Re nar nav chod kat bedi. Re nar nav chod kat bodi. Harsyon tod Bhikhya sang jodi. Rahao. Can they why you will drown? Because what you have done is you have chosen. Remember, Guru Pyareo, Maharaj will always give us a chance. Always. There are two boats. One beda will come, one boat will come of Vaiguru. There is a second boat of Kal. Two boats are there. ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਬੇੜਾ, ਇੱਕ ਕਾਲ ਦਾ ਬੇੜਾ. Now it is up to us. Re nar, nav as in boat. Nav chod kat bodi. Bodi as in drowning. Can they why your boat is drowning? Because you decided to take a ride on the boat of Kal, meaning you decided to walk on the path of Maya. ਧਾਤ ਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ. There is no fault of Vaheguru for that. ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸਾਚਾ ਕਿਆ ਕਰੇ ਜੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਮੇਂ ਚੂਕ. If the problem is within us, what can Sadhguru ji do? We decide to walk on the path of Bhikhya. We decided to disconnect with Vaheguru and connect with Bhikhya, with the poison, with these five doots, with the five thieves. Harsyon tod, disconnect with Vaheguru, Bhikhya sang jodi rahao. We like pubs, clubs, and discotheques. We like all these things. Then obviously we cannot give a fault to Vaheguru. It is our own fault. Can they remember it's not just you? Even the people who walked on the spiritual path, they also, even these angels, why people get stuck in the Devlok? There are very few people, few minds, very rare minds who get one with Vaheguru, merge in Vaheguru. Obviously, everybody who is here, all of us, including me, we were not merged in Vaheguru. That's why we are here. But we got a second chance. But we were also not able to get rid of our ego. We were also not able to get rid of these five thieves. Sur nar dade. Dade. Sur nar dade lagi aag. we were also burning. Dade as in we were also burning in the fire of these doots. First Maharaj talked about big Sagar. Now Maharaj is talking about the Agan Sagar. First Maharaj was talking about the Tamogun. Now Maharaj is talking about the Rajogun. Now remember, this is a secret. If we will understand this secret, it will be very easy for us. When we will see the whole phenomena of the Karams, and we will discuss more in the Houston camp, but high level for everybody, there is Big Sagar, there is Agan Sagar, there is Sukh Sagar. Big Sagar is Tamogun, Agan Sagar is Rajogun, and Sukh Sagar is Sattogun. Big Sagar has connection with Agan Sagar. Agan Sagar has a connection with the Sukh Sagar, but there is no connection between Big Sagar and Sukh Sagar. Once we go in Sukh Sagar, then there are chances we can go to the Chautha Pad. If we are in the Big Sagar, there are no chance. So what is Big Sagar? Tamogun, poison. Agan Sagar is Rajogun. We all have that. Anxiety, depression, worries, hopes, and desires. We have to be very careful when we read the Gurbani. Because sometimes people say, oh, see, even the Surnar Munjan, even these angels were stuck in Tamogun. They had lust, greed, anger, attachment. No, it's not. They were able to get rid of that, but they still had worries. They still had hopes. They still had desires. They still had anxiety, little bit here and there. That's why they ended up in the Dev Lok. Surnar Dade Lagi Aag Nikat Neer Pas Pivas Na Chag. They also behaved like a Pashu, like an animal. The Neer was there. What is Neer? Neer is the water. When there is a fire in a jungle, you know, there is a story. There was a fire in the jungle. There were a lot of animals there, right? And they were just thinking, how can we remove this fire? But there was one small bird, a sparrow, you can think of. She was going in the pond, water pond, picking a drop from the water pond and trying to put it in the fire. And everybody was like, what are you doing? She's saying, at least I'm trying to put off the fire. You guys are not even trying. Inside our Sukham body, Nam Niranjan is also there. Nam Niranjan Neer Narayan Rasna Simrat Pap Palayan. That Jal, Amrit Jal, that Nam Jal is also there. Nikat, it's very close. But these doots are also there. But we decide to play with these doots, just like those animals. Maharaj says, even if you will drink that Amrit, little bit also, you put some effort, then also you will be able to put off that fire because it's a Nam Niranjan. But we don't try. Nikat neer, koliya tere. It's very close to you. Pash pivas na chag. But we are not drinking that Nam Amrit. Now, how to drink that Nam Amrit? Maharaj is telling in the next line, Kabir Sahib, Chetat Chetat Niksyo Neer. How can you bring that Amrit Ras, Nam Ras? By Onu Chetan Denar. By remembering him. Remembering Simran is not just the chanting. Chanting becomes a Simran. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. Saas, Gras, Saas, Antargat Simran. When we will start chanting inside all the day, उठते हैं बैठते हैं काम करते हैं whatever we are doing, when we remember Vaheguru, Saas Gras Antargat Simran, then that neer will come, that Amrit Ras will come. Chetat Chetat Niksyo Neer सो जल निर्मल कथत कबीर, कहते दैट निर्मल जल, that nirmal naam will put off that fire. And then we can move to the Sukh Sagar, and from the Sukh Sagar we can go to the Chautha Pad. Sant ka marg, taram ki paudi, ko vadpagi paye. That is the marg, that is a live the rasta, which starts from Sattogun. Otherwise, Maharaj says, Tehi guni sansar pram sutta, sutya ਰਹਿਣ ਬਿਹਾਣੀ, ਗੁਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਤੇ ਸੇ ਜਨ ਜਾਗੇ, ਜਿਨ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਵਸਿਆ ਬੋਲੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਬਾਣੀ. Otherwise, the whole world is sleeping in this Trigun Maya. People think that they are doing Sattoguni stuff. Who are Sattoguni? Who goes to the uh, temples and gurdwaras and masjids and churches, who try to do the right thing. But their reach is also till Sattogun. They also don't receive the Naam. Naam can only be received when our mind goes in the Chautha Pad. When till the time we don't receive that Amrit Ras, that Neer, the Naam Niranjan, we will not be able to come out of this Maya. We will be in reincarnation. We'll come and go, come and go. हाँ जी गुरु प्यारे आओ जी. हाँ जी. Any questions regarding this lecture, Guru Pyareo? कोई सवाल? I'll open the camera also just in case. हाँ जी गुरु प्यारे, कोई सवाल? Any question you may have? If not, आओ जी पहला अपन सास गिरा सिमरन करांगे. वाह, tummy in, listen to your voice. गुरु, tummy out, listen to your voice. अपनी आवाज ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਸੁਣਨਾ ਹੈ. ਗਾਵੀਏ, ਸੁਣੀਏ, ਮਨ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਪਾਓ. आओ जी. वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु. गुरु प्यारो सेवा कर लो जी. वाह गुरु,
गुरु, वाह गुरु,
वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह Niru, Oa, 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 Guru, Oa, Niru, 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 Oa, Guru, Oa, Niru, Oa, Niru, Oa, Niru, Oa, Niru, Oa, Niru, Oa, oa ngeru 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 अंतर्गत मन ही बोले मन ही सुने। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅਮਿ ਅਵਗੁਣ ਭਰੇ ਏਕ ਗੁਣ ਨਾਹੀ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਾੜ ਵਿਖੈ ਵਿਖ ਖਾਈ। ਮਾਇਆ ਮੋਹ ਪਰਮ ਪੈ ਭੁਲੈ, ਸੁਤ ਦਾਰਾ ਸਿਓ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਲਗਾਈ। ਏਕੇ ਉੱਤਮ ਪੰਥ ਸੁਨਿਓ ਗੁਰ ਸੰਗਤ, ਤਹ ਮਿਲਨ ਜਮ ਤਰਾਸ ਮਿਟਾਈ। ਇਕ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਬਾਟ ਕੀਰਤ ਕੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਰਾਖੋ ਸਰਨਾਈ। ਇਕ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਪਾਠ ਕੀਰਤ ਕੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਰਾਖੋ ਸਰਨਾਈ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ